I'm Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. Just wanted to show you some machines that we have for sale right now. I mean, we've always got some Bobcats. Right now we got some Terex, Gale. We've got a lot of Volvos in right now. Got John Deere. You know, we usually have some Caterpillar. Got some Takeuchi. We got Terex. We usually have a good selection of good used skid steers for sale at all times. And you can look at all of our skid steers by going to our website, TexasSkidSteer.com. We're located in Springtown, Texas, about 20 miles from Fort Worth. Our website is TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you. Have a great day.